Did you know that you can apply for a KRA pin using a smartphone at the comfort of your home? Yes. All you need is a stable source of internet and enough data bundles for you to apply this KRA pin. Because one thing with KRA, the moment the network becomes unstable, you'll go back to step one. And another thing, you need an email address. So the first thing before you go to generate a KRA pin, create an email address. And another thing, you need to have already taken a picture of your ID or birth certificate, or just scan it, because the moment you get into the system, you're just uploading, you're just tapping and uploading as you go. Okay, and creating an email is as simple. It takes even less than 5 minutes to create one. So let's get into the video. Go to your browser and type iTax KRA like I've done, like this, and tap OK, and it will load KRA page, and tap on register, and it will load your page into this. Let's give it time. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, and then just go ahead and fill in the details as I am filling. Okay, just look closely and fill in details as required. Okay, and it will load the first page like this one, where you will enter your basic information. It will ask you for your citizenship. Yes, if you are Kenyan, just click on Kenyan. If you're non-Kenyan and all that, they're all there. Major group, it depends, students, farmers and all that. You will input your national ID and make sure it is correct. When you put in your national ID and your date of birth, it will auto-populate other details of you, like names, date of birth, place of birth, your parents' names, and all that. Just go ahead and answer, or just fill in the details as required. Okay, yeah. So I am actually hiding some of the details because I was applying for someone, and I just decided, why not record a video about this. For security purposes, I'm just hiding some details. Okay, yeah. Now we need to comply with data and privacy regulations so that we don't infringe persons' information. Yeah, like I said, before you start generating your KRA pin, you need to already have an email created with you and scanned document of your ID, because here we are just tapping, filling and uploading as we go. And then they will verify your email address, and they will send a code to your email address. And make sure your email address is with you on your phone. You just go there and open your email and enter that code for verification. Yeah, actually the part that has more details is the basic information, but the rest of the part, it's just going arithmetic and all that. Yeah. So here they are just sending an OTP on your email address to verify your email address, because it will be linked to your iTax or to your KRA account. Yeah. And so just answer the way I'm answering these questions here. You just no. You have property. If you have a property, you can just simply tap yes. But if you don't have a rental property, tap no. So here I'm just uploading the image of my national ID, not mine, but it is for customers. Yes, it can be even yours. And here you just tap on income tax, residential, and the date you are registering your KRA. If it's today, write today's date. Okay, mostly it's today, because it's today that you are applying for that KRA pin. Sorry for the noise. Then here you tap next. Here, just skip this part. Okay, here you just say no, you just answer no. No, like I said, it is as simple as it is. It is not hard. Okay. So here I just keep the property details because I don't have none, or my customer doesn't have none. But if you have, you can just go ahead and fill in. So here the only thing that I'm going to do is this arithmetic. I'm just going to answer this 174 plus 6. That's the only thing I'm going to do in this section because I don't have property details. And after that, they will ask me to upload the details and I will submit the data like that. Okay, and here is the link to download my KRA pin, and it will be just downloaded on, it will download on my phone device as well as on my email. So if I go check my email, I'll find this. So this is the certificate, as easy as this. Yes.